Hi class, my name is Julie Larsen. I currently live in Atlanta, Georgia. I am not currently a teacher right now, but I am an operations specialist for an industrial supply company here in Atlanta. So today I'm going to talk about my personal and professional insight into my relationship with creativity, a memorable creativity issue that I addressed in my professional career, and my most and least favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity. So personally, I hope to improve my relationship with creativity while in this class. Looks like my slide got a little cut off. I'm sorry. That's better. So personally, I'd like to improve my relationship with creativity. For me, creativity means taking risks and trusting yourself to innovate and improve. And I think oftentimes that is something difficult to do. I've told myself in the past, like and others, that I'm not very creative, and I kind of want to change that mindset. I don't know that that's necessarily true. I think I've kind of limited my opinion of creativity, and I'd like to become more of a creative individual in my approach to solving problems in my personal life and just approaching things in general. Professionally, creativity helps me to share new and diverse ideas with my company and the individuals that I work with. Being creative in our approach to organizational development gives us a great competitive advantage. It's great for our team culture, and I think just unites everyone kind of together and gets everyone not on the same page, I guess, because everyone brings different things to the table, but can help us just find new and innovative ideas and ways to solve problems and definitely improve processes. A memorable creativity issue that happened for me was during my current role right now as an operations specialist. We have classes that individuals take as they're kind of onboarding into the company, and management had approached me for feedback about one of the courses that the new hires go through. At that point, I'd been with the company for maybe a year and a half, 2 years, and they had asked me to create a new PowerPoint presentation with just new ideas, updated information, and just kind of just make the class a little bit more relatable to the new hires. So that was something that kind of pushed my creativity limits a little bit. I was new to the company, so it was one of the first projects that I completed, and it really gave me a chance to kind of think about what I wanted to learn when I was in their position, and how I could relate to them and at all different levels and all different backgrounds. So that was probably one of the more memorable creativity moments that I've had in my professional career so far. For me, the my least favorite, I'll start with my most favorite. My most favorite part of engaging diversity and equity is just sharing ideas, perspectives, and values with everyone. I think that there's so much that can be learned from other individuals with different backgrounds and different ages, genders, races, all aspects of life. I think that it's great to be able to just share different opinions with people and just have that open conversation and be respectful. That's definitely my favorite part of engaging in the diversity and equity, especially at my company. The least favorite part of that for me also is when individuals are just closed-minded. I find that it's very difficult sometimes to start the conversation with individuals who just are unwilling to change, maybe get set in their mind, just set in their ways, and just are not open to different ideas or having that conversation. So I think that my current workplace right now is very diverse, and that helps us embrace diversity and equity so that it benefits all of us. But I think when people are unwilling to have the conversation, that is probably my least favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity. So I look forward to learning more in the class with you all, and look forward to hearing everyone else's introductions. Thank you.